Okay, I have the same T-shirt as Tom and Alex. I promise you we're not a cult. We're from a game development study program, and we use C++ as the base language. So we're not that far. So you see Folkestone on the top left, and we are from Kortrijk, Belgium. Very nice city. You should come for the beer, stay for the C++. And we have 6 study programs, and we focus on game, film, and animation. But let's not talk about the lesser study programs and talk about our study program, which focuses on C++. So we have modules, programming 1, algorithms, which is taught by Tom. We have programming 2. Also, Tom would like to rename the modules to programming 0, programming 1, because zero-based indexing is the way to go, of course. Also, computation system fundamentals. Why do we do it this way? Students, we are publicly funded, so this means that we have to accept everybody, basically. So everybody who has a high school diploma in Belgium can enroll in our study program. So we have to start from the basics and teach programming in the first year. We have 2 modules to do that. We feel very strongly not to teach game engines, not to start with Unreal, Unity, Godot, whatever. Unreal has lots of stuff that's against the core guidelines. It's too big for beginning students. So we just focus on a very small, bare bones game engine. And this is the result of the first year, where they remake. It's of course hard to show because it's a screenshot. Could be from any existing arcade game, but no, students make that all by themselves. And this is the result of the first year. We also have career skills. It's important to learn to work in group and not be a dick, not be an asshole to other people. Students come into our study program like, I'm the best programmer and all the other programmers suck. But that's not a good attitude, kind of bit of a red flag, of course, if you want to work in a bigger company. So we build on top of that. We have programming 3, also taught by Tom. We have software engineering, where we also see CMake skills, which I also find important, that it's not enough to just learn to program. You also need to learn how to build stuff, how to build bigger applications. We have graphics programming 1, which is a very fond topic for me. We continue with that. Programming 4 is very interesting. Again, you see arcade games from the past, but they have to make a complete game engine now. So they don't get a basic game engine, they get a bare bones start. And they have to build everything themselves and apply game design patterns. Lots of other courses. You see, with the odd one out, tool development is C#. Makes sense. Sorry, Tom. We have to have some other skills in there as well. And also gameplay programming. But we have lots of courses which focus on C++, so a pretty interesting topic. We also see that we can do the old bait and switch. We lure students with game development, making games, but some students discover that they actually like to program. They actually like C++. So they get into other companies, weird companies, manufacturing industry, all sorts of things besides game development. Which is also, for me, good because we don't want to teach students in a narrow way that they can only do games. They should be able to, when they graduate, go into lots of different sectors. Yes. Okay, 15 seconds. So yeah, I'm done. We release games on Steam. We have the last year, which we don't teach a lot. It's a lot of group work and so on. And yeah, we have lots of companies. Basically, we ask for your help. We need feedback on our study program. We contact us, the people with the funky t-shirts, if you have any kind of feedback, advice, whatever. If you want to come talk, give a talk, anything is possible. Thank you.
Thank you.